Good evening on this beautiful sunset late spring day. An Ethereum millionaire with a side hustle on gold. If you look at the chart in Bitcoin real quick, this is just a quick emergency update to show that everything is still on schedule. If we pull our little pointer tool, right here is where we talked to you Friday. We thought it would go to here, but we said if it pumped, it could possibly come back up to this upwards resistance now from back here, and it did. And we said they sometimes break up 1 or 2 or 3% as a fake out, and it did, and it quickly traded sideways and down, and then as soon as it crossed a resistance line, it collapsed back down to the almost 200-day moving average. We think this is going to continue sideways and down. Our next support line is 55,425. If we move over and pull our pointer tool back out here, we expect it to run along this line up or down a few percent. We think it's coming back down quickly to 51,600 within the next, we'll say by Thursday. It's coming down in here. We'll pull our little pointer tool out. We'll just illustrate that. We think it's coming down there with a stop right here and then going down there. Now, real quick with Ethereum, because that's what you're all here for. Our price has not changed. We still believe we're going to be coming down. We think we're in this head and shoulders, pointer tool up here. We had our right shoulder, our head that formed the left side of the head, and now we've peaked, and we think we're about to start forming the right side of the head. That's going to have to come down. It'll take 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 days, maybe a week or so to come down to the neckline, and then we're going to have to form the right shoulder. So we'll give you a buy opportunity here, quick money. Pull out a little percentage tool. If we did that, it'd be roughly be a nice trade, 20%, but that's where we think we're going. And then if we zoom out, we always zoom out, but I wanted to show you in. We'll come in here, and we think, you see we hit our long-standing support or resistance that was support for years. We go check my other dynamic videos that I put out a few days ago, and it goes over back from our long-term running support and resistance lines. But if we zoom in to the daily time frame, you can see we think within the next couple of weeks, it's going to trade down, form the head, then bounce back up, form the right shoulder, and we think eventually we're going to break this because we only have till June here, but usually 3/4 of the way through the pattern, so right about where the shoulder is, we think we're going to be coming down and retesting. Actually, to 1,085 is where we think we're coming down, and we have multiple targets that run up into that area. And then if you look even below that, this box right here, we can expand out. This would be a big accumulating phase down here, what we think if it hit that ultimate accumulation, but we think we might have a chance to nip up in here. But that's just a quick update. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below. We're building an army here at Ethereum Millionaire with a side hustle on gold. Like I always say, peace and